So back in the days, you will have to buy a machine for making screen printing designs on t-shirts, and it was very expensive to start a business. Plus, you gotta consider that screen printing can be messy. You need a space, you need a garage, because you will need a lot of water for cleaning the screens, and you will need to invest on equipment like paint and other tools to make this happen. And as the title implies, today it's very easy with technology to start a screen printing business from home, and the safest way for you to start it is by outsourcing. And today I'm only gonna show you how I make the designs, how I outsource it, and how I edit my designs. So let's get right on that. So first things first, we're gonna go use AI, and let's say make a design for a landscaping company with a guy on top of a lawn mower, and make the design all one color and black, and make the design on a white background. Well, this is one of the most important things that I like to do. Is when I make my designs, I always tell AI to make it on a plain color background. In this occasion, on a white background, but I forgot to add the phrase to my design lawn care LLC. Okay, so we're gonna tell AI to add the name of the company, but in this occasion, this is just an example. I'm telling it to add LLC. Now, when you make a design, you have to be careful and double check for incorrect spelling, but this is still doable because I'm going to edit my design. I'm gonna show you how. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this image. Now, you saw me how I make my designs. Now you're gonna see how I edit my designs, and that is using LUMINOSA, which is a program that I developed especially for people that don't want to invest crazy money on equipment. As I show you in the intro, those machines can be very expensive, very messy, and you need a lot of space. Again, I have nothing against people that want to start like that. You can make more money, of course, but this is the safest way, because in the end, it's the same thing. You have to try the market, and if it doesn't work, at least you did not spend thousands of dollars to start this business. Now, this is the safest way. You just make the designs with AI and you edit using this program, which you can get on the description below on the first comment. And trust me, it's not that crazy or expensive. So now the first thing we're gonna do is remove the background. So we're gonna click on that. We're going to upload the image that we just generated with AI. It needs some work, of course, but I'll show you in a second. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna select the color that we're going to remove from this design, which is this light gray color. So we're gonna click on this little like black square, which is what we call a color picker. We're gonna choose this little eyedrop icon and select the color that we're going to remove. Now the next step is to increase the tolerance, and then click on remove background. And now you see that all the background has been removed, and we're going to download it like this. So now we gotta work on the design and get rid of some stuff, but I'll show you in a second. So we're gonna close this page, and we're going to upload this new image that we just removed the background. So now I'm going to turn on the eraser. So here you can see the eraser, turn it on, And you gotta be careful with this. You can increase the size of the eraser. So now we're going to erase this little LLC that's not supposed to be there. So like I say, no problem. This is why I like to edit my designs and get rid of stuff that I do not need. And there's that. Now we have lawn care and LLC. We can get rid of landscaping here. Plus it's not correctly spelled. So we can increase a little bit more. So the way that this eraser is designed is that it does not move freely, so that way you do not mess up your edit or it goes wild. So it's removing the text smoothly, as you can see. Okay, I think we got rid of most of the things that we did not want it. So now we can turn off the eraser. So just click on that, make sure you do that, so that way you don't keep erasing things that you may not want to. So now we have edited this image, and now we can safely download it, create a file, so that way we can upload it again and show you some samples. So here it is. I have the design ready, and with this program Luminosa, you can download in 3 different ways. You can download a PNG, which is the one that you edited on the frame, or you can download a PDF depending on what kind of project you're working on. Or this one down here, this is when you add like any of the special effects that you see down here. That's when you're going to select this image and download here. So since this one, it's only one color design, simple design, so we don't need to add anything. But just to be sure, we're going to select the image. It's already selected. You can see the dash red lines here. That means it's selected. When you click away, it disappears. Then you click again, you see this little red dashed lines. And then you click on fill color to make it all brighter. Now if you want to add more brightness, you can do this here, add more brightness to the image. And after you do that, then you can now download this file. It's for a screen printing project anyway, so download, and it's going to download as Luminosa. Now we're going to refresh, and now we're gonna do a sample for the customer. And I have a sample here of a t-shirt. So let's pretend that this customer wants a safety green t-shirt design. Of course, this is the type of shirts that landscapers use. And I'm going to freeze so that way it doesn't move away from the frame. Now I'm going to upload the design that we just edited called Luminosa, and we're going to select this image and make it smaller. So now we can place this in the center. So let's say that the customer wants this in blue, doesn't like the black color too much, but wants to make this blue. Oh, I'm sorry, I was doing the wrong color picker. So let's select a navy blue, and now we're gonna select the image and then fill color, and you see that it transformed to a blue design. I think it looks better. Now we can download. This time we can do this here, download PNG. You can click on the file and you will see the sample here that you're gonna send your customer. So now let's say that the customer agree that that's what he wants. Okay, now the next step will be to outsource. I use proworldinc.com. I'm gonna leave the information below, but this is one of many. If you have a better source, go ahead and do it. But what I go for is a reliability, and this company has that, and they're very reliable, and their products are not the cheapest, but they're high quality. Trust me, I have used them many times. So now we're gonna go to custom transfers, and then we're gonna go to screen printing transfers, which is the 15 to 20 cents heat transfers. So we're gonna click on that because the customer only wants one design, which is in the front. And now here they have information about their pricing, that you can get 10 plus for 15 cents each transfer, plus you gotta pay a fee for $40 fee. That's the rule. It even explains it right here. But this is for a 12 by 12, which is enough, big enough for a huge design in the front. Now here you can select how many you want, or the size that you want, which is 12 by 12. Now we're gonna go to design heat transfer, but we don't need to do anything, just upload the artwork. So we're gonna select the file, and then we're gonna select the first one that we downloaded, which is Luminosa, and you will see it here in a second, and that's the one. Keep the original colors, we're gonna keep it like that, but we're going to turn this to a one color design, of course. And then now we're gonna select the color type, and the customer wanted the blue one, so we're gonna make this blue, royal blue, that's the one. And then finish. Now we're gonna extend this all the way. Make sure you don't compress it too much, but I think that'll be fine right there. And now you can order your transfers and go ahead and pay to fill in your information. Will be the next step. Here you can see how many transfers, the quantity. If he wants a dozen, there's the 12, and then you can get a quote, a price, fill in your information, and so simple. It takes 8 to 10 days for them to arrive. High quality, again, materials they use. Plastisol, I believe that's the type of paint they use, and very easy to use. All you need is a heat press and you're all set to go. And like I say, the investment is not as crazy as many people usually invest. So this is how simple you can start a screen printing business from home right away. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, you like this video, because I'm gonna be uploading more ideas on designs. I'm gonna upload more tutorials on how to use this program and other uses. So I'll see you guys on the next episode.